Hello and welcome to another Parts Factory installation tutorial video. Today we're working on this Hyundai i30 hatchback. More specifically, these electronic push buttons that allow you to access the boot from the outside of the vehicle without the key, etc. Basically, there's a few things that go wrong with this. Either the plastic itself breaks down and just people don't like that, they don't like touching the stickiness of the plastic, or of course they don't work entirely, which can be a huge inconvenience if maybe you're at the shops or something trying to get into your vehicle. So yeah, that's the job we're doing. Super straightforward, just follow my steps. It's going to take you about a minute. And guys, if you are in need of this product, don't forget, I'm going to chuck the link top right of the screen, rather, in the bottom of this video in the bio. You can head on to Parts Factory. We've got the genuine Hyundai ones this time. I think they're $43.30 with free express post Australia-wide, so make sure you check that out. All right guys, super straightforward. We're going to come straight up to this trim just here. And what I'm going to do is I'm actually just going to stick my little screwdriver under the trim and you just pop it out gently. Technically you don't have to remove this, but it's such an easy task. You just pop it off like that, and that way you can get in to your button. Super duper straightforward. You can literally just pop up one side, come in on the other side, pop it up, out she comes. There's your plug. Depress the little plug, it pops off like that. You can throw that one away. Bring your new one in. The plug can only go one way, so there's nothing to worry about in that case. You can literally just bring it back, push it in, make sure it's working. And of course, our little trim piece. You can see why I said to remove that. It makes it so much easier. And look at that, you've now got a fresh little button ready to go, good as new. Closer, boom, look at that. Now I want you to imagine, guys, if you went to Hyundai with a problem like that and you asked them at a dealership, hey, what's going on here? Who knows what they would charge you? Who knows what lies or misdiagnostics they would present to you and charge you maybe even $400 or $500 for something that literally took you a minute to change, 43 bucks on the Webby. Guys, that's what we're all about. If you love this video, or this is the type of content that you're interested, perhaps you do up cars, you buy and sell, etc., etc., make sure you subscribe to this channel, and if you can, give us a thumbs up if you appreciate the content. Guys, I'm Lucas, thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.